Hi, I'm Ollie Hamilton, a junior doctor from Manchester, representing Penang Acute NHS Trust and Masanga Hospital in Sierra Leone. So we've been shortlisted for two awards, the Pillay Memorial Award and the Prescribing and Stewardship Award as well, predominantly for work done in Sierra Leone. So it's predicted that by 2050 there'll be over 4 million deaths per year from antimicrobial resistance in Africa, and stewardship in Africa faces multiple challenges such as inadequately trained or equipped staff to sort of poorly regulated sale and production of antibiotics. So whilst volunteering in a rural district general in Sierra Leone, I became concerned at the prescribing practices of antibiotics. For example, 86% of patients in outpatients were prescribed at least an antibiotic, with 1.96 per person. So I designed a quality improvement project to improve this. I wrote an antimicrobial guideline, adapting other guidelines such as the Médecins Sans Frontières or the World Health Organization guidelines, and implemented them to our staff by disseminating them to high prescribing areas, and also by doing group teaching and one-to-one feedback to local staff. So the guidelines ended up covering over 54 diagnoses with 31 antimicrobials, and initially were very successful at improving prescribing from 35% to 53% appropriate. Unfortunately, since I've left, that figure has deteriorated, showing how difficult sustained change can be. I've been involved in a couple of other projects, such as we created a formal link with the regional hospital to be able to bring tuberculosis samples to their hospital for advanced diagnostics, including drug sensitivity testing, which meant that for the first time we could look for multi-drug resistant tuberculosis, and in 4 months we had 5 diagnoses, which then had massive public health implications because we could isolate those patients and get them effectively treated. I've done a couple of other projects in the Northwest, such as highlighting the resistance to trimethoprim in UTI and help change the first-line antibiotics to fosfomycin, and also leading the trust-wide audit on antibiotic practices. Just here to say, don't forget about Africa in antimicrobial stewardship work, because there's nowhere else that's probably going to feel the problems of resistance as much. And I hope that the Antibiotic Guardian Awards can help highlight that problem.